Let's learn how to use glyphs on Silhouette Studio. Click on the font and then scroll down in Creative Fabrica to type out your words. It will show you the basic level of the font. Once you do that, scroll to where it says View All Glyphs and click on that. This will open up the font design page where you can see all formats of the font. In order to see the glyphs or swashes, scroll all the way down to the part of the fonts that are highlighted yellow and you'll see all the colored swashes and glyphs. If you're happy with the font, download it to your computer and then open Silhouette Studio. Check your download folder and double click on the font name. Click on install on the window and it will open up a page to show you how the font looks. This page will not show the glyphs, so don't stress. Once you open Silhouette Studio, you can click on the A on the left hand side and it will open the font panel. You can then type out your font at the top to search and make sure that your font has been installed. If the font is not there, restart Silhouette Studio. Type out your design and then click on the G in the fonts panel. This opens up the glyph section and then you can scroll down to see the glyphs available. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Once you install the font on your computer, open Silhouette Studio or restart it if you had it open. Type out your word and then click on the fonts panel and then click on the G. This shows you all the glyphs available. You will then delete your letter and then choose whichever glyph you'd like. In this case, I have changed out the E and I am checking to see whether the F can be changed as well. If your design doesn't match up, play around with the letters and see which designs will match. Follow the same steps, delete the letter and then change it out with the glyph letter. However, you have not finished yet. Right-click on your design and then convert to path. This changes it from a font to a vector file. Remember to keep a note of your font name if you wish to reuse it later, as it is now a vector file. You will now click on the colors panel and take off the color of the vector file. This shows you where the lines of the design are overlapping. We need to connect this line so that the vinyl does not cut up on itself. In order to do this, you can right-click and then choose Weld, or use the top toolbar to choose Weld. This smooths out the design and it is now ready to cut. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.